Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So it's gonna be my last tutorial video before New Year. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a reflection effect to make your photo looks more fantastic. There are a lot of ways to add reflection to your photo. It's just one of them. I'll put the link to download all the photos that I'll be using in this video in the description. Just click on it to download it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up Affinity Photo and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna use this photo from Unsplash. As you can see, it's already an amazing photo, but I just want to change the sky and add the reflection of the sky to make it looks more fantastic. Okay, so I'll be using this sky. So let's copy it and move it here. And change the blend mode from normal to multiply. Then duplicate this layer. Okay, so this is for the reflection. You can turn this off for now because we don't need it right now. Okay, and then align the photo. And mask this layer. Then remove the below part. You can use brush tool or gradient. I will use this rectangle. Then click on this mask layer and press delete to remove it. And if the sky bothers with the object, just use brush tool to remove it. Make sure the foreground color is black. Just pan over it. Okay, it's done for the sky. So let's turn the reflection on. Go to arrange and click flip vertical. Then align it. Just like before, mask this layer and remove the upper part. And use brush tool for the smaller object. Okay, and it's basically done. The next step, you just need to add the adjustment to make it looks more convincing. Okay, so let's reduce the opacity of the reflection to around 80 or 75. And the reflection is always darker, so let's add adjustments. You can use curves, levels, or exposure. I'm gonna use curve and bring down the highlights. Drag it to the reflection layer because we just gonna apply it to the reflection layer. Then bring down the highlight and the shadow as well. Then let's add blur. to the reflection, go to filters, blur and motion blur. Okay, I'll just set the radius to 5 pixels, then click apply and add one more blur. Okay, so I'm gonna add Gaussian blur. I'm gonna set it around 8 and click apply. Okay, so this is the final result. Okay, this is before I changed the sky and add the reflection, and this is after. Okay, so as you can see, it looks more dramatic than before. Okay, let's add one more sky. I'm gonna add this sky. Just follow the same process. I'm gonna fast forward this part, so just enjoy it. Okay, and it's done. So this is the final result. So this is the first sky and this is the second one. Okay, and if we combine it together, yeah, it looks more dramatic and fantastic, as you can see. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learned something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys.